Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to edit this picture using the Lightroom Mobile App. So, let's start editing. First, go to Light, bring the exposure plus 0.20, contrast to plus 25. Highlights to -70. Shadows to plus 70. Whites to plus 50. And finally, bring the blacks -40. Now go to Curve. I have copied the previous curve settings. And done. Next go to Color. Bring the tint plus 10. Vibrance to plus 40. And saturation to -16. Now go to Color Grading. Bring the hue 67 and saturation to 21 for highlights. Bring the blending 100 and balance to -40. And done. Now go to Color Mix. First, go to Red, bring the saturation -30, and luminance to -10. Next, go to Orange, hue to -10, saturation to -20, and luminance to plus 30. Now, go to Yellow, bring the saturation -50. Now, go to Green, hue to -24, and saturation to -30. Now, go to Aqua, bring the saturation -70. Next, go to Blue, saturation to -70, and luminance to plus 40. Finally, bring the saturation -100, for the purple and the pink. And done. Now go to Effects. Bring the clarity plus 20. Days to plus 40. Finally, bring the vignette -15. Finally go to Details. Bring the sharpening 10. Noise reductions to 5, and color noise reductions to 10. And done. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye guys.